they're going out to see them too now. They've figured it out.
Yeah. So the Hector dolphins. Oh my gosh, they're out there by those people. Hold the shells for a sec, Tom, so I can zoom in. See if they come up again. They're there.
Oh, there it is.
Let's see. There's about 3 or 4 of these little tiny dolphins that are swimming all around us. Well, not us, but those people. Just like maybe like 20 feet out. Oh, there they are. Their fins come up and down. Sorry, it's so lumpy. I'm trying to... Oh, there one popped up. Wow. Second sighting of dolphins in a week. Oh!
Oh
my gosh.
The plane ride.
See? I told you. And then here's the coastline. And this beach, it's called Moeraki Beach. And it's got down here all these giant boulders that have fallen, rolled off the cliffs. But they're like really round. So they're kind of like a very unusual thing to see because they just are like balls that rolled off the cliff. The Maori people believe that they dropped from the sky and they provided all the Maori people with the knowledge. And then now we're back out to the dolphins again here. See if they come back up. Oh, and there he went.